If your husband's snoring is becoming a serious domestic issue, you need to arrange an appointment with a sleep specialist. We all snore occasionally, but if your husband snores regularly and loudly, stops breathing for short periods of time, wakes up gasping for air, or feels drowsy when he gets up in the morning, he may be suffering from a serious condition called obstructive sleep apnea. Sleep apnea occurs when the airway is blocked by collapsed soft tissue and/or the tongue. It can be an indicator of much more serious life-threatening medical conditions like heart attack or stroke. A dentist who has been trained to identify the symptoms in the mouth and throat is an excellent position to determine the risk during a routine dental exam and refer you to a sleep disorder specialist. Treatment of OSA has traditionally been a forced air system called CPAP. Another, less invasive treatment involves a dental appliance. If you think your husband may be suffering from sleep apnea, call our Weston office today for an evaluation at 954-894-7593.